If the word girl feels difficult to say clearly, you're not imagining it. This is one of those words that combines two challenging sounds, the R sound and the L sound. And for a lot of people, this combination doesn't feel natural at all. What I often hear is the R sound will disappear and the L sound will be too strong. So the word sounds forced or unclear. So let's break it down. I want you to start in the R position. So lift the middle of your tongue up a bit and make sure the tip of your tongue is relaxed and it's pulled back from behind your teeth. It does not touch your bottom teeth. So move into a light L sound. L. The key is not to separate them too much. It should feel like one connected movement, not two different strong sounds. So let's try the word girl. Girl. A little smoother now. Girl. If it still feels difficult, that's okay, because this is a coordination issue. It's not a sound issue. It's your tongue is learning a new sequence. So try again. Girl, girl. Don't exaggerate. Keep your movements small and controlled. Over time, it will start to sound and you much more authentic. It will become part of your natural speech. In the next video, we're going to talk about the RL sound in the middle of a word.